Libraries are used to store and organize audio files. The recommended format for audio files are mono MP3 files encoded at 128 kilobits per second and leveled at -16 LUFS. There are two predefined libraries, overhead and on hold. The services you've signed up for will determine which libraries you see. Library names cannot be altered. To begin the audio file upload process, select the desired library you would like to upload audio files to. Not all users will have both libraries available. Select the plus icon and select Audio File. Drag and drop your desired audio files into the pop-up, or select the cloud icon to open your computer's Finder or File Explorer. Then select the audio files you wish to upload. Once your files have been selected, select the Upload button. Audio files are uploaded when a green checkmark appears to the right of the name. Select Close once all audio files have been uploaded. Once your audio files have been uploaded, they will appear as messages within the chosen library.